It's Clay Chart, and this will be a video chart on SPNG, Sponge Stack Delivery Systems Incorporated. I've been doing this one quite a bit, and I wanted to get this updated again, go through a different time periods, and just keep everybody updated since this does remain one of the most, if not the most popular stocks in Pennyland. And I've actually even left some of the lines that I drew during the last video I did, so you can kind of see where the progress has been made since then. But actually, if you look close here at this blue line that I drew, this was from the last time I did the video where I talked about the 10-cent level being the key level to get through. So with that, let's just dig into the 60-minute. But here we are on the 60-minute, and I drew these two lines here that was showing kind of a bull flag pennant, where we're not a bull flag pennant, I'm sorry. Either you can call it either a bull pennant or a bull flag, but this was a flag pull, and then this represented the flag. You had this high volume here, then you had a lower volume, and then sure enough, the next day, a nice above average volume. On this day, you corresponded to that, broke up above this 10-cent mark, which was what we wanted, hovered around here a little bit. Once again, if you correspond that down here with lower volume, and then made another move up, once again correspond that above average volume, and you get the point. Just good technical analysis, pulled back, and now we're heading back up again. So as you can see, the 60-minute time frame is back into a uptrend for a while. By using this 50 period moving average, you could see that on the 60-minute the chart was in a downtrend. However, now you look at the purple line, which is the 50 period, and the past few days it was going flat, but now it's been able to curve up. So we're just in the early stages now of getting back into an uptrend on the 60-minute. If we drop down to the 30-minute, you can see that same thing. We had the purple line just sloping down. However, now it has curved back upwards. And the other thing to keep your eye on is this orange line, which is the 200 period. Not quite confirming an uptrend yet, but we are now at least going sideways, which is better than obviously sloping down like we were right here. We also have the golden cross, which just shows that this uptrend is being confirmed on the 30-minute. So that's always a good thing to see also. To hop back to the 60, want to go over some new levels to look for in terms of resistance. Basically, our next two levels are going to be right here, and what we can actually do is draw a resistance zone just for argument's sake, and to keep things halfway clean and not let too many lines or anything show up. But the high of this candle was 0.133. The high of this candle was 0.137. So for simplicity's sake, we could just say our next key resistance level is going to be right here at 14 cents. Like 10 cents, we wanted to get some above that, get some closes above it. Then you saw the results. Same thing holds true for this 14-cent area. If we can get above 14 cents, you'll be above both of these resistance levels, and that's going to look real good on the 60-minute chart. And then scrolling back, you really don't have any resistances up until right around this 16-cent range. So obviously on stocks that are this cheap, 2 cents is quite a nice difference when you're talking about percentages. Hopping back up here on the daily, you can see once again where I got these two levels. So 14 cents is the level that you want to see fall. Now, just taking a little bit of a broader overview, we'll take a look at the daily, and you can see that the daily is, the weekly, is making a nice little classic move. What I mean by that is, at the end of last week, the chart looked like this, and we had what is a hammer candle. Now, that doesn't mean that the stock is going to all of a sudden bounce up, but it does signal a potential bottom. And now this week, we've been confirming what we hope is going to be the sign of the bottom of this move down, as we're getting the hammer candle followed by a nice green candle. Now, we'll still need a couple more weeks of green candles in order to confirm this candle, because this could be a head fake, but once again, this is a weekly chart, so it's not going to take a couple days or even a week to be able to figure this one out. We'll need 2 to 3 weeks to see what these next 2 or 3 candles are going to look like in regards to this. If they go sideways, that's good. What we just don't want to see is for it to drop back down here, or worse yet, break below that low right there, which is at 0.0785. But where we stand right now, the weekly chart is also looking good. So for everybody that's following this, keep your eye on the 14-cent level. Let me go back there. This is the easiest place to see it. That is the place to try to get through. But the chart is definitely looking strong, definitely looking healthier now, and hopefully that continues. But just keep your eye on this moving average. As long as this is pointed upwards, the context of the trend is up, and that's what you want to see. So you finally gained that victory throughout the late last week and then this week, and getting this flat and now curling up. So hopefully this just keeps going up and we can get up there and push through 14 cents. So that wraps up the chart. One other thing, if you look down in the post, you can see a comment for a free ebook. I would encourage you to check out that link. If you sign up for my newsletter, you automatically get a free ebook that was written by me, and you also get charts that I'm looking at, plays that I'm looking at. I do articles once in a while that I don't make public, only to the subscribers, so it's worth signing up for. We've had a couple of nice plays. Our most recent one was up 76%, so we've been making some good money, and plus you get free chart setups that I'm looking at and so forth. So check out that link. If you do have any questions on SPNG, please shoot me a message, and I'll try to get that question answered for you. But if not, thanks for listening, and let's knock out that 14 cents.